Residents of Estuary housing development in St. James are living in fear after a breakaway in the community, which is threatening homes and critical infrastructure. We have more in this report.
Cracks in the ground leading to a major breakaway in Phase 2 of the Estuary housing scheme in St. James. This has been the reality for residents following the passage of Hurricane Melissa.
It's almost like a ticking time bomb, so it's a weird feeling and a weird place to be right now.
No, many are fearing the worst, and they say when it rains, it pours.
Each time it rains, there is a breakaway. We have several videos showing the breakaway. It rained last night, early into this morning, and if you can look at the area, you see where it's fully saturated.
I can't sleep here in the night, so I have to just walk and stay by someone. I can't stay here. Because you see, in this condition, it won't be safe for me.
The authorities have already begun carrying out remedial work, but by all indication, it will take some time. During our visit to the community this week, we observed heavy-duty equipment on location. In the meantime, residents say they've been advised of relocation while repairs continue. Some have welcomed that news.
I think it's today they are planning to relocate us. So we hope for the best.
But for others, the temporary solution comes with its own set of challenges.
Based on the composition of my household and the items I have in my household, I don't see how I will fit in a one-bedroom unit. So I'm still in further dialogue with NHT to see how best they can cater to my specific situation.
As if living in fear was not already a task, they told us the uncertainty is adding to their stress as they wait for clear timelines and updates on the work being done.
We deserve to know exactly what is happening so we can fully prepare our mind and prepare ourselves. But I don't know what the issue is. We need representation to say what exactly is happening.
With more rain in the forecast, residents of the Estuary housing development fear further erosion could make the situation even more dangerous if urgent action is not taken.